So let's start with the query session as promised to you all. Yes, of course, it will not be a 2-hour session. It will be only 1-hour session because GP sir is wanting to take the lecture of 12th. So the very first that I'll start with is the topic of rectification of errors, where there was the maximum questions being asked. Of course, there will be many of the questions which are repetitive in nature. I'm aware about that, but still the question is only a question, so we have to resolve that question. I'll come in the sequential manner. The very first is, can suspense account be a nominal account? If yes, should it be replaced by P&L adjustment account during rectification in subsequent year? Answer is an absolute no. Suspense account is not a nominal account. This is what I've clarified, Mr. Chris Jain. Very clearly I had mentioned that suspense account is a temporary arrangement which is used only for the purpose of rectifying the one-sided errors. Whether you are finding those errors in the same year or in the subsequent year, that doesn't make any difference. Those have to be rectified. All right. Then the question related to Ekatvam class book, question number 8 on page number 5.3. Now, which one in that I don't know. The whole question is that not what I'm going to solve here, because I've already given you the answers of this. A sale of 4,000 has been entered through. Now, this was the question by Prathamesh. Prathamesh, which statement you're not able to understand? Please clarify so that I can go ahead on that. Yeah, Shravani has asked a question. Page 2.108, practical questions, sub questions 5, 6, and 7, and practical question 4, sub question 6, that is from the ICAI module. Let me bring the ICAI module in front of me. ICAI module, icai.org. You people must be having the ICAI module with you. Online, of course. There is no question of having an ICAI module offline. I don't expect that also. All right. Rectification of errors. She is saying page number 2.108. 2.108. 108. Sub questions are what? Sub questions are question 1, sub question 5th, 6th, and 7th. 5th one, a vehicle bought for rupees 7,004 years ago and depreciated to 1,200 had been sold for rupees 1,500 in the beginning of the year, but no entries other than the bank account had been passed. Now, when you have sold a vehicle of 1,200 rupees book value for rupees 1,500, that means you have made the profit of 300 rupees. So you should have passed the entries what? Bank account debit 1,500 to vehicle account 1,200 to profit on sale account 300. This is the entry that you should have passed. They've said that the entry is made only related to the vehicle, bank, and not related to vehicle or profit. So wrong entry is bank account debit 1,500 to no credit. And therefore the rectifying entry will be suspense account debit 1,500 to vehicle account 1,200 to profit on sale 300. Then an accrual of 560 for telephone charges had been completely omitted. Telephone charges payable. Accrual means something which is due to your company, still payable. So you should have passed the entry as telephone charges account debit to telephone charges payable account. No entry whatsoever is passed with reference to that. Therefore, the rectifying entry will be telephone charges account debit to telephone charges payable account. Am I right? As far as the 7th one is concerned, I won't be interested to go into that because it is more related to final account, less related to rectification. But still, because you have asked it, so I'll just make a new share here. For the sake of understanding, I'll show you. In fact, it has got the linkage with your statement number 4 in that question, if you'd observe. Statement number 4 in the question says, Abhija, again. Yeah. Statement number 4 in the question says a credit sale of 1470 had been debited to the customer at 1740. Credit sale debited to customer at 1740 means 270 रुपए से debtor ज्यादा दिखाया हुआ है. All right. So if I am passing the rectifying entry for this, my debtors given to me are what? Debtors as given are 23,390 less wrong debit. How much is the wrong debit to the debtor? Rupees 270 as per statement number 4 in that. All right. So 23,120 is the remaining debtors. Less bad dates. You need to pass the entry for bad dates. How much is the bad date? 1560. What is the balance debtor? 21,560. Correct or not? Less provision that you want to maintain. Less nahi. Provision at 10%. So you want the provision of 2156. But you already have the old RDD of 2320. So you want to decrease the provision by rupees 164. In this case, you need to pass the entry for the wrong debit, the excess debit, 1560 ka further bad date, and 164 ka decrease in the provision for RDD or provision for doubtful debt. These are the 3 entries that they must have passed if you must have observed the given answer. I hope I'm clear with you, Shravani. See, I'll keep going like this. All those who have asked the question, they'll get it clarified. All those who have not asked the question, they will also be able to understand that yes, these kind of questions may arise in a later point. And I'm giving you the answers on that right away. Am I going good for everyone? Can you raise hands for me? Is the process going fine for everyone? Yeah, thank you. Lower your hands. Okay. Next question. In the same question, she is having another question of question number 4, sub question 6. Question number 4, sub question 6. Goods worth rupees 1,000 were sent on approval. This kind of statements in any of the questions related to rectification, if you find, you just ignore it completely for the time being, because we have to still talk about the concept, the topic called as goods on approval. So when we discuss that particular topic, this will automatically get clarified. So forget about that for the time being. All right. Krinjal has asked the question, ICI module doubt image of the sum uploaded. No, it is not reflected in here. Krinjal, it is not getting reflected here. ये मैं अगर alphabetically sort करूं, sort A to Z, किंजल का सवाल ये रहा, ICAI module. No, the image has not come. I am not able to see that image, Kinjal. Okay, the same question you had the answer with? Fine, no problem. No worries, no worries. Next one is अरे भाई इमेज अपलोडिंग की मैक्सिमम कैपेसिटी 10 MB थी, तुम अगर बड़ी बड़ी इमेजेस अपलोड करोगे तो कैसे चलेगा, तुमको वो चेक करना चाहिए था ना पहले। या ICAI module practical problem number 1 question number 7, I have already given the answer to this. Then practical question 4 page number 26, I have given the answer to that as well. भागवत क्या होना चाहिए उस पर चर्चा करने के बजाय जो हाथ में है उसको हम फोकस करें तो ज्यादा अच्छा नहीं है क्या? Then rectification of errors, question of Arya, rectification of error, illustration 7/4 पेज नंबर 19। अबे कौन सा 19 बे? illustration 7 का 4th, bad debt aggregating to rupees 450 were written off during the year in the sales ledger but were not adjusted in general ledger. Here sales ledger means debtors ledger and general ledger means the expense ledger. In fact, there is something called as self-balancing ledger. This is a concept related to that. Nowadays, that self-balancing ledger is not followed by anyone. Sales ledger means debtors ledger, bought ledger means creditors ledger, and general ledger means the ledger related to all other accounts. अब आपने सेल्स लेजर में एडजस्ट कर दिया, मतलब डेटर में से बैड डेट माइनस कर दिए, पर जनरल लेजर में एडजस्ट नहीं किया, मतलब बैड डेट को डेबिट नहीं किया. Therefore, your rectifying entry directly will be bad debts account debit to suspense account rupees 450. Am I right? Then illustration problem number 5 on page number 2.99. Anjali has asked this question. Anjali, इसमें से कौन सा वाला point you have not understood? You need to ask that. I cannot answer the whole question. Anjali, question number 5. What question you have in that? Which statement? Or you got the answer already? यार हद हो गई, मैं इधर आंसर बता भी नहीं रहा हूं, तुमको मिल भी जा रहे हैं, ये तो जादू हो गया. Yeah, 5E. Anjali, you had asked the question 5E as well. A purchase of 67 had been posted to the trade payables account at 60. Purchase of 67 posted to trade payable. Trade payable means creditor at rupees 60. 67 रुपए से creditor को कम क्रेडिट किया. Therefore, the rectifying entry will be suspense account debit to creditors account rupees 7 or trade payable account rupees 7. Yeah, refer problem number 1, 6 and 7 that already I have given the answer with. Yeah, Vaishnavi has the question. Illustration 7/4. I've given the answer. Question 1/7. I've given the answer. Question 4/6. I've given the answer. That's why I wanted this kind of question, this kind of session to be there for all. क्योंकि मल्टीपल लोगों को सेम तरह का क्वेश्चन होता है और वो ऑलरेडी सॉल्व हो चुका होता है. अब अगर आप एक एक करके पूछोगे तो फिर आपको बहुत सारे सवाल होंगे. सुब्रमण्यम had the same question. 1/7 I've answered. 4/6 I've answered already. मृदुला, नोटबुक में क्या सवाल है? मृदुला, you have written notebook, not so. तूने नोटबुक में अच्छे से नहीं लिखा, मैं आके लिख के दूं तेरे को? You have sent the image. Image is not available. Can you WhatsApp that image to me? In the meantime, I'll see the further questions. Disha is asking the question. Problem 2 on page 2.109. I think I've already answered that question. No. Which one you have the problem with? The difficulty with? Disha. तेरे प्रश्न की दिशा मुझे ठीक से समझ नहीं आ रही है. Yeah, Subramanyam have the question on concept. Do we have to compulsorily transfer the balance of profit and loss adjustment account and suspense account to the capital account in the problems of rectification done in subsequent year? ये सिर्फ subsequent year नहीं बेटा, अगर same year से भी related रहेगा तो भी तुमको वो ट्रांसफर करना पड़ेगा. The balance of suspense account need to be transferred to the capital account and the balance of Balance of P&L adjustment account also need to be transferred to the suspense account. Yeah, Mrudula, you have sent the query related to the question of rectification that I had asked in the form of MCQ. Purchase book is overcast by rupees 8,000. Discount column on the receipt side is undercast by rupees 3,000. Due to this, trial balance debit increases by 11,000, trial balance credit decreases by 11,000. See, purchase book को overcast किया मतलब purchase book का debit side affect हो गया, debit side बढ़ गया by rupees 8,000. And discount column on the receipt side is undercast by rupees 3,000. मतलब वापस से पर ट्रायल बैलेंस का डेबिट साइड 3,000 रुपए से कम हुआ. तो both the errors are having the impact on the debit side of trial balance, and that's why the correct answer is trial balance debit decrease by rupees 5,000. Trial balance increase. Trial balance debit increase by rupees 5,000. Why I'm not giving the reference with reference to the credit side? The reason behind that is very simple. Both the errors have the direct impact onto the debit side. Had that option not been available, then I would have given credit side will decrease. All right. Yeah. Sub question 5 that Disha has the question with. A check of 500 issued to supplier's account shown under the trade payable towards his dues has been wrongly debited to purchases. Shown under trade payable towards his dues has been wrongly debited to purchases. You should have debited trade payable account, that means creditors account, whereas you have debited to the purchases account. Correct entry should have been supplier account debit to bank account, wrong entry purchase account debit to bank account. Therefore, the rectifying entry will be what? Supplier account debit to purchases account. And if you are rectifying it in the subsequent year, in that case, it will be P&L adjustment account. Yeah. Subramaniam, I gave the answer to your question. Rutuja has the question with illustration number 7.4. I've already given the answer with reference to that. Nakul has the question with reference to question number 4 ka 6. Page number 2.110, 110. ऐसे अपन बोलते हैं वो गलत है. 2.110. 2.110 illustration 4 ka, what is that? Illustration 4 ka 6. Goods worth rupees 1,000 sent on approval. Again, the topic is to be discussed, so we'll cover it at the respective point. Subramaniam had a question. Revision test papers. Revision test papers. What is this you are referring? Purchase of furniture on credit from Nigam for rupees 3,000 posted to Shubham account as rupees 300. अरे भाई, ऐसा हमने एंट्री किया हुआ है. Goods sold to Philip Armstrong, ऐसा कुछ किया था हमने. Same concept यहाँ सेल की जगह परचेज हो गया. Correct entry should have been purchase account. Sorry, furniture account debit to Nigam account 3,000. Wrong entry is furniture account debit 3,000 to Shubham account 300, and therefore the rectifying entry will be what? Shubham account debit 300, suspense account debit 2,700 to Nigam account 3,000. That will be the entry. Voice breaking, I cannot do anything with that. Kindly check the connection at your end. Okay. Nakul has a question in question number page number 2.103, illustration 7.4. I think it is the same thing. We have already referred through that. Yeah, we have already covered that. Mithilesh had the same question. I've already answered it. Atharv has the question: right, wrong, and rectifying entry for carrying forward the total to the total of purchase book to the next page. But taking the total to the next page, that must be the printing mistake, Subramaniam, in that case. Yeah. total of purchase taken to the next page, that's not the kind of error that you are going to rectify. हाँ, अगर 100 रुपए का टोटल 1000 रुपए से कैरी फॉरवर्ड हुआ मतलब ओवरकास्टिंग हुआ, 1000 रुपए का टोटल अगर 100 रुपए से कैरी फॉरवर्ड हुआ मतलब अंडरकास्टिंग हुआ. So you rectify it with reference to the casting error and you'll be able to get the correct answer. Atar. Parshva has the question related to the suspense account. I have quite clearly given the detailed note on that. Please refer to that note, and if you have got any specific question related to that, then ask it. Page number 2.109, question 17, I've already answered this. 2.109, question 17, I've already answered. Zeal, Vedang, you have got the answer. Anish, it is a partnership. If it is a partnership or proprietorship, do we transfer profit loss adjustment account balance to reserves? No, not at all. I've given the answer earlier also. I've given the clear-cut answer. In case of proprietorship and partnership, the balance of the P&L adjustment account will always be transferred to the capital account and not to the reserves. But in the case of company, we'll be transferring it to the company. Reserves. Padmanabh has the question in illustration 7, for transaction. I've already answered the question. Shreya has the question related to illustration 5H. Page number 2.100. Don Shambar. Goods amounting to ₹100 had been returned by customer, were taken into inventory, but no entry in respect thereof was made in the books. Means what? Physically आपके पास goods आ गए हैं, पर आपके financial books में उसकी entry नहीं हुई है. So you need to pass the entry for the return of the goods returned by the customer. So your entry will be sales return account debit to customer account ₹100, and if it is subsequent year, P&L adjustment account debit to customer account 100. Sanika has the question in page 2.109, question 2 ka 2, question 2 ka 2, 2.109 ka 2. 22. The sales account has been totaled short by ₹100. That's nothing but the undercasting of the sales account. That means credit is undercasted. So therefore, rectifying entry will directly be suspense account debit to sales account ₹100. Page 2.108, practical question 1 ka 4. I've already answered that. Page number 2.99, question 5F. 5 फकीर, फिफ्थ फकीर कहाँ है? Question number 5 का F. A check of 200 received from PC Joshi had been dishonored and was passed to the debit of allowances account. Allowances here is the discount account. So rectifying entry will be PC Joshi account debit to allowances account, and if you are rectifying it in the subsequent year, to P&L adjustment account. Yeah, page 2.95, question 5th. 2.95, question 5th. A check of ₹100 received from Manmohan was dishonored, had been posted to the debit of sales return account, the similar one. The rectifying entry will be Rutvij. I had mentioned this very clearly that I am going to take only those questions which are put in the query form. And if you have already put it, I'll be checking it. Don't worry on that part. Yeah, sales return account debit to bank account is what the entry that you have passed. So rectifying entry directly will be Manmohan account debit to sales return account. Yeah, Pratham had the question in 6.3 types of error in clerical errors, page number 2.89. 2.89. Yeah, clerical errors. These errors arise because of mistakes committed in the ordinary course of accounting work. These are 3 types: errors of commission, omission, and compensating. What's your question, Pratham, in that? I've already explained what is error of omission, what is error of commission, what is compensating error. Okay, Padmanabh had the question, page number 2.109, transaction number 7, done already. Ritesh had the question, problem number 4.6 on page number 2.10. 4.6 नहीं किया ना हमने. Fourth का says goods on approval. I've already talked about it. Anish had a question. Aren't casting errors and carry forward errors same? They come under posting errors only. No, not at all. Posting and carry forward errors are same. Casting and balancing errors are different. So do not merge those. Shripad has a question, page number 2.99.2, page number 100.2, 103.2, 109, 210. As far as 109, 110 is concerned, I've already solved those. I'll come to page number 2.99. The total of return inward book for December has been cast rupees 100 short. Return inward book is sales return book. Sales return book का अगर total 100 रुपए से कम किया तो sales return का debit बढ़ाना पड़ेगा या नहीं? So rectifying entry will be return inward account debit to suspense account. Then page number 2.100, page 2. 2.100 per second one, goods amounting to rupees 100 being returned by the customers and were taken into the inventory. I've already given the answer to that. We have to pass the entry with reference to the sales return only. 103 ka second. An amount of 150 entered in the sales return book has been posted to the debit of Philippe who returned the goods. चमाट मारू बेटा खींच के, मैंने ये वाला क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करके दिया हुआ है. सॉल्व करके दिया हुआ है फिलिप वाला क्वेश्चन में. ऐसे सवाल तो ना पूछो यार, कम से कम इतनी तो दया करो. और ये जो रॉय वाला क्वेश्चन तुमने लिखा है ये तो भैया पूरा सॉल्व किया हुआ है मैंने क्लास में. द होल क्वेश्चन आई हैव सॉल्व्ड. How to solve question 2, show how they affect the profits. I have understood the transaction too. Sanika, wait for it. I'll just come back. Prerna has a question, question 17 on page 2.109. I've already done that. 2.99 pe question number E. Check of 200 received from PC Joshi. I've already talked about that. It will go to the allowances account. 2.99 ka 2 Shripad, I've already answered. 2.100 ka 2 I've already answered. 103 ka 2 I've answered. 109 ka 2 I've answered. 110. All the questions are answered. जो ICI मॉड्यूल में है उसका अपलोड करने की क्या जरूरत थी बेटा? तेरी वजह से बाकी लोग अपलोड नहीं कर पाए थे, मालूम है? Page 5.3, question number 8. Pia, what's the question in that question number 8? I'm not aware about. Do you want the answer of the whole question? Rutvij, page 5.1, problem number 3C. Page 5.1, question number 3C. Bill received from Ahmed for repairs done to radio. अरे मैंने ये पूरा क्लेरिफाई किया हुआ था, डिटेल में समझाया हुआ है. Your correct entry should have been radio account debit 950, repairs account debit 250 to Ahmed account 1200. This should have been the correct entry. Wrong entry is purchase account debit 1000 to Ahmed account 1000. Therefore, the rectifying entry will be radio account debit 950, repairs account debit 250 to Ahmed account 200 to purchases account 1000. ये क्लैरिफाई किया हुआ आंसर है मेरा, ऑलरेडी बताया हुआ आंसर है क्लास में प्रॉपरली. 2.110 क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 I have already answered that. Neha has a question. Goods purchased from Ramdeen rupees 16,600 recorded in purchase book at 6,600 and posted to the account at rupees 1,600. अरे इसका सिमिलर एक क्वेश्चन किया था हमने नेहा. वो yeah, an item of purchase of 158 purchase entered in purchase book at 15 and posted to supplier at 58. The similar kind of thing. The correct entry should have been purchase account debit to supplier account 16,600. Wrong entry is purchase account debit 6,600 to supplier account 1,600. Therefore, the rectifying entry will be purchase account debit 10,000 to supplier account 15,000, and the difference will go to the suspense account. So, rectifying entry in all will be purchase account debit 10,000, suspense account debit 5,000 to supplier account 15,000. All right. So these were the questions which had come from the topic of rectification. I hope I am solving the queries to the satisfaction of your requirements. हाँ या ना? Very good. यहाँ ऐसा बोलने के सिवा तुम्हारे पास ऑप्शन क्या है ना? Well, I'll come to the questions related to bank reconciliation statement. This sheet is in front of you people, you all. ये sheet तुमको दिख रहा है? Excel sheet? नहीं दिख रहा है? रुको मैं Excel sheet लेके आता हूँ. मुझे लगा तुम क्या देख रहे थे फिर अब तक के? What was there in front? Oh, ICA module was there in front of you. अभी Excel sheet आ गया? हाँ ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है. ये तुम लोगों ने जो क्वेरीज डाली है उसी का शीट बना के रखा हुआ है मैंने. मतलब मैंने क्या गूगल बना के देता है और मैंने डाउनलोड किया हुआ है. और इसीलिए मैंने स्पेसिफिकली आई थॉट दैट व्हाई नॉट टू यूज द टेक्नोलॉजी प्रोडक्टिवली. अगर सारी चीजें गूगल देवता कर रहा है तो हम क्यों मेहनत करें? Isn't it? रुको इनके मेरे को नाम रोल नंबर ये सब हाइड करने दो जरा. नहीं ये शीट मैंने डाउनलोड की था. डाउनलोडेड शीट कहाँ है? Why you are cheating with me? आप भी सीख गए मतलब क्या? बेटा ये बचपन से आता है मेरे को. तेरे वाले जब तू तेरे बचपन में था ना ये सारी चीजें मुझे तब से आती हैं. ओके, I'll come to the topic of bank reconciliation statement. वो निक जोनास और प्रियंका चोपड़ा के लिए बहुत सारे मीम्स बने थे. उसमें से एक मीम आया था की प्रियंका चोपड़ा ही निक जोनास साठी उखाणा घेते आणि म्हणे कि जब आप पेट में थे हम स्टैंडर्ड 8 में थे. Isn't it? तो ऐसा होता है. ठीक है, लेट इट बी. पहचानते हो तुम प्रियंका चोपड़ा को? हाँ नहीं ना? वेरी गुड. आजकल किसी हीरोइन को पहचानना गलत बात है क्योंकि आजकल हीरोइंस क्या कर रही है हमको बहुत अच्छी तरह से पता है. अबे जय जाले बोलता है सर मेरी मुलाकात हुई है प्रियंका के साथ. अरे पागल, तेरे को तो देख के वो अपना चेहरा पलटा ले. क्या बातें कर रहा है तू? जय जाले बोलता है मेरी मुलाकात हुई है. अबे सच मतलब बंदा क्या सोच के बात करे ना, ये बहुत बड़ा सवाल होता है. तो उसको पता है कि एक बार तो अपना सामूहिक होना ही चाहिए. तो उसके बगैर ऐसा फील नहीं आता उसको कि आज मेरा लेक्चर अच्छा गया. तो एक बार सबके सामने अपना मतलब हो जाना चाहिए. हंसो. है ना? कॉन्फिडेंस देखो बंदे का सच में. जय जाले तेरे कॉन्फिडेंस के लिए तेरे को मानता हूं मैं बस. नहीं नहीं मैं बेइज्जती मैं किसी की बेइज्जती करता हूँ? स्नेहा तो कुछ भी बात कर रही है ऐसे. ऐसे तो मुझे बदनाम कर रही है. ओके एनीवेज, let's come further to the topic of bank reconciliation statement. मेहुल तू तो बात मत कर बेटा, तेरे को अगर डिसऑनर किया तो तू घर भाग जाता है, वापस आता ही नहीं है। परसों चिल्ला चिल्ला के बुला रहे मेहुल किधर है, मेहुल किधर है, आ ही नहीं रहा था, भाग गया। इतनी नाराजगी भी अच्छी बात नहीं है बेटा। वेल लेट इट बी, लेट इट बी। हाँ ना, लोगों ने तेरे लिए तो जस्टिस वाले हैशटैग बना दिए, हैशटैग जस्टिस फॉर मेहुल। कोई कॉल बिल नहीं, तुम लेक्चर ना सिंसियरली अटेंड नहीं करते हो, दैट्स माय बेसिक पॉइंट। वेल असो, Harshad has the question related to the casting errors, overcasting and undercasting. Now, whenever there is a casting error given in your bank reconciliation question, I've always said to you what you're supposed to do. You should first come back to your cash book. This is your cash book debit, this is your cash book credit. If cash book debit is overcast, that means favorable balance increases, overdraft decreases. If cash book debit is undercast, that means favorable balance decreases, overdraft increases. If cash book credit increases is overcast, that means credit, that is overdraft, is increased and favorable is decreased. अगर undercast किया तो overdraft कम हो गया और favorable बढ़ गया. And then you go back to your reconciliation based on what analysis you have done in your cash book, and based on that you decide whether the given item will be added or subtracted. Avdut has a question in bank reconciliation problem, ICI module, 6th illustration, 6th and 7th entry, page number 3.20. Illustration 7th entry 3.20, illustration 6th कहाँ गया 6th illustration? आज मेरा नाइट ड्यूटी है, पता है। आज जो नवंबर 20 वाले हैं उनका क्वेरी सेशन है रात को 10 से लेके सुबह 4 बजे तक। जैसा तुम्हारा अभी 1 घंटे में ही समापन करना पड़ेगा मुझे, उनका रात को 10 से लेके सुबह 4 बजे तक के मेरा क्वेरी सेशन है। तुम्हारे लिए लेगा मैं थोड़े दिनों के बाद, थोड़ा एक टॉपिक हो जाने दो, एक 2-4 टॉपिक, फाइनल अकाउंट ऐड हो जाने दो, थोड़ा सा सेल ऑन गुड्स ऑन अप्रूवल, या वैसा कुछ तो करेंगे। या checks amounting, sorry, 6th and 7th entry. No entry had been made in cash book for trade subscription of 10,000 paid by bankers order in November 2017. आपने नवंबर 2017 में बैंक ने आपको बैंक ने आपके बिहाफ पे पेमेंट कर दिया, पर आपके कैश बुक में एंट्री नहीं हुई. CBPB BAL, cash book showed the debit balance, so favorable balance. Bank has paid 10,000, you have not made the entry, so CB to less 10,000. A check of 27,000 drawn by Mr. B. Philippe had been charged to A. Philippe's bank account by mistake in December 2017. Wrong debit by bank. Wrong debit by bank. CB BAL, PB BAL, BAL BAL. तो बैंक ने डेबिट कर दिया, मतलब बैंक ने बैलेंस कम कर दिया, तुमने कम नहीं किया, CBPB लेस 27,000. Illustration 10th entry, 7th entry, page 3.25. 3.25 illustration 10th entry, 10th entry है कहाँ, 7th entry. A debit of 11 lakh appeared in the bank statement for unpaid check which had been returned marked out of date. The check had been redated by the customer and paid into the bank again on 5th July. आपने 5th जुलाई को चेक वापस डिपॉजिट किया, पर 30 जून को तो वो पेंडिंग ही रह गया ना. So CBPB BAL debit appeared in the bank. बैंक ने बैलेंस कम कर दिया, आपने कम नहीं किया. Therefore CB to PB less or PB to CB add. All right. Yeah. Next one from प्रार्थना. प्रार्थना की प्रार्थना ये है कि ICI मॉड्यूल चैप्टर 3. क्या बात है प्रार्थना. पेज नंबर 3.14. Concept of undercasting or overcasting of debit or credit side cash book and passbook balance in both the cases in favorable. I've already clarified. I hope you have already understood that. Yeah. Page number, question 5, page 6.3. पेज 6.3 क्वेश्चन 5। इसमें कौन सा वाला पॉइंट नहीं समझा बेटा? हाँ मुझे पता है कौन सा नहीं समझा, ई वाला। That is 480 and 840 were two debit entries in the passbook, but 480 had been reversed by the bank before 31st December. It was found that 840 related to subsidiary of the company. Subsidiary means बच्चा company or a sister concern. आपकी कोई सिस्टर कंसर्न थी? हाँ पता है बेटा, छोड़ दे। आपकी कोई सिस्टर कंसर्न थी और उसके डेबिट, उसके अकाउंट का आपको डेबिट कर दिया, मतलब रॉन्ग डेबिट बाय बैंक हो गया। टोटल बैंक ने डेबिट किया 480 एंड 840, उसमें से रिवर्स कर दिया 480, मतलब सॉरी बैंक की बात है। बैंक ने डेबिट कर दिया, स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट वाज कैश बुक डेबिट बैलेंस, डेबिट किया मतलब बैंक ने बैलेंस कम कर दिया 480 से 840 से, पर 480 रिवर्स कर दिया, तो अब CB to PB will be less 840 only, wrong debit by bank. And 5F, transfer by bank to another account by the company with no advice. बैंक ने हमारे अकाउंट से किसी और अकाउंट को, हमारे ही किसी और को अकाउंट को ट्रांसफर कर दिया, मतलब बैंक ने बैलेंस कम कर दिया, हमने कम नहीं किया, तो CB to PB less 2100. My image must not. एंजल तेरी इमेज नहीं चाहिए थी मेरे को तेरे क्वेश्चन की इमेज चाहिए थी। How to do BRS of debit balance of rupees 10,000 brought forward as credit balance? हाँ ये बहुत ही सेंसिबल क्वेश्चन है। The whenever the error is on the wrong side, it will always be having the impact of the double amount. Correct or not? Debit balance था, favorable balance था, उसको तुमने overdraft कर दिया। Bank is showing favorable balance 10,000. You are showing overdraft balance of 10,000. So PB to CB जाना है तो add 20,000. CB to PB आना है तो less 20,000. All right? हाँ अनुष्का, एकत्वम क्लास बुक क्वेश्चन 6 पेज 6.3, इसमें कौन सा वाला बेटा वो पूछो ना तुम लोग। They are saying overdraft of 5,000 and also bank statement showed a credit balance. Means what? They have given you the question as well as answer. You can start with either. ये मैंने क्लास में सॉल्व करके दिया हुआ क्वेश्चन है। You can start with either. You can start with either overdraft as per cash book 5,000 or favorable balance as per passbook 1 lakh. अगर तुमने overdraft as per cash book से start किया तो your ending point will be favorable balance as per passbook, और अगर आपने favorable balance as per passbook से start किया तो your overdraft as per cash book will be the ending point. मतलब 70 नहीं मैंने क्लास में सॉल्व करवा के, सॉल्व नहीं पर मैंने क्लेरिफाई किया हुआ है। अगर 76,750 से स्टार्ट किया तो एंडिंग पॉइंट विल बी -5,000, अगर 5,000 से स्टार्ट किया तो एंडिंग पॉइंट विल बी -76,750. Arya has the question in problem 4.3 page number 6.2. 4 का third, a check of 750 drawn on a saving deposit account has been shown as drawn on current account. That means bank has wrongly debited your current account instead of saving account. Wrong debit by bank. अगर overdraft है तो they have increased the OD, you have not increased it, therefore CB to PB add. Yeah, Ria has a question relating to overdraft. Ria, what question you have? Can you just clarify? In the meantime, Atharv has a question in concept of illustration number 5, page number 3.19. Page number 3.19. Illustration 5. हाँ, इसमें क्या सवाल है बेटा तेरा? Ria, remember one thing. Overdraft means what? Your withdrawals are more than deposits. So if your cash book is showing credit balance, that means you have withdrawn more amount than what you have deposited. Similarly, if your passbook is given, then debit balance is there. So your withdrawal is more than deposit. So passbook will have debit balance and cash book will have credit balance. One thing that you have to remember is whenever there is an overdraft as the starting point, withdrawals increase the overdraft and deposits decrease the overdraft. That is what you have to remember. Athar, what question you have? Why we have to make cash book here? Where are we making the cash book here? We are making adjusted cash book, Mr. Athar. Illustration 5, they are asking you to show the appropriate rectifications required in cash book. That is nothing but adjusted cash book. Did you understand this? Adjusted cash book का concept सिखाया था मैंने अथर्व, अगर याद होगा तो. हाँ. Subramaniam, what is the meaning of traveler's check? It is a kind of demand draft. Earlier it used to be in use, but now that concept is gone. It's a kind of demand draft. Traveler's check and demand draft is one and the same thing. Yeah. Khushi is asking the question from the concept book, page 6.7, last point. Khushi, can you send me the snap of that, because I'm not having the soft copy of that available with me right now. Khushi, please send the snap of that. Third party confirmation. Third party confirmation means what? That if a third party is involved into a transaction, that party is supposed to confirm the given transaction. That is a kind of guarantor. पूरा रेफरेंस देगी तो मैं ज्यादा क्लैरिफाई कर पाऊंगा. हाँ, question 1, question 8, page 6.3 and 6.1. Rutuja, which points you are not able to understand? Mehul, no fun here. I am on to my particular point. Okay, Rutuja, no problem. Sanika has a question. Ekatvam class book, page 5.3, question number 7 का B. Discount 200 received from. अबे रेक्टिफिकेशन का क्वेश्चन बैंक रिकंसिलिएशन में कहां से आ गया? सानिका, क्या कर रही है तू? सानिका, ये क्या चल रहा है? Well, anyways, 200 received from creditor is not in the cash book, was not posted to the ledger. Here it is only a single-sided transaction, only one transaction, and that's why we had presumed that it is not been debited to creditor and discount has been correctly credited. क्योंकि discount account को हम लोग total post करते हैं, individual transaction नहीं. Therefore, the rectifying entry will be creditor account debit to suspense account. देख वहां भी पकड़ लिया, पर मैंने आंसर दे दिया. देख कितना स्ट्रॉन्ग रट्टा मार के बैठा हूं मैं. इसलिए तुमसे क्वेरी पहला पूछ लिया था मैंने कि तुम्हारा क्वेरी पहले से पता रहेगा ना, मैं आंसर बना के आएगा पहले से. Well, Sanika, 3.28 practical questions, question 3.28. कितना मेहनत करना पड़ता है ना तुम लोग के लिए, सच्ची में इतना रट्टा मारना पड़ता है ना मेरे को. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3.3. Credit side of bank column cash short. Credit side cash short means what? That your favorable balance has been shown higher. Why? Debit credit, credit short, मतलब favorable balance बढ़ गया by ₹2,000 or not. Question 4, bank paid house tax, no information. अच्छा, check received but not sent to the bank. Check received but not sent to the bank. Huh? What are they doing? 11,20,000 रुपया. That means it's the case of checks on hand. कुछ तो प्रिंटिंग एरर है. Illustration 3 का मैं आंसर देखता हूं पहले. Based on that, I'll be able to tell you whether it is a printing error or not. Checks received but not sent to the bank. This is, you have made the entry in the cash book, but you have not sent the checks to the bank for collection, which means what? Checks deposited but not credited. So CB to BB will be subtracted and PB to CB will be added. No, it's not treated as cash. It is treated as checks on hand. Anesh, why account pay check or any negotiable instrument is recorded on the date of receipt or date of deposit, whichever is latter? I didn't say that you should be recording it on the date of receipt or date of deposit, whichever is latter. I had said for the checks being received you should be recording on the date of receiving or the date of that instrument, whichever is latter, not the date of deposit. Date of receipt or date of instrument, whichever is latter. This is how I had said, if you observe it. खुशी 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 तेरा क्या क्वेश्चन है? ICI मॉड्यूल 5, you have just written that. बहुत होशियार बच्चे हो तुम लोग, मेरे पहुंचने के पहले तुम लोग पहुंच गए. A debit of 11 lakh appeared in the bank statement for an unpaid check which had been returned marked out of date. इसका मैंने आंसर ऑलरेडी दे दिया. Yeah, debit balance of 15,260 on the previous date was brought forward to the credit balance. फेवरेबल बैलेंस था, तुमने उसको ओवरड्राफ्ट करके दिखा दिया इन योर कैश बुक, तो तुमने ओडी बढ़ा दिया या फेवरेबल बैलेंस एकदम से कम कर दिया, पर बैंक में तो फेवरेबल बैलेंस जैसे के तैसे रहा ना, सो इट विल हैव द डबल इफेक्ट, double amount 31,520. Whenever the error is on the wrong side, it will always be having the double amount ka impact. This is what we remember. If only interest by bank is given, then what do we assume? Interest allowed by bank or interest charged by bank? Interest by bank. Interest by bank can be assumed in either which way, and accordingly you have to give the answer. Depends on, हाँ, अगर overdraft होगा तो interest by bank will be, interest by bank होगा तो overdraft, अगर overdraft दिया हुआ है तो interest by bank will always be interest debited by bank. उतना सिर्फ याद रख सकते हो तुम. हाँ. Arya has a question. Practical problem 2.7, page number 26. कौन सा 26? बे तू कहां से लेके आ रहा है ये सवाल? आर्या, अच्छा डाउट क्लियर हो गया? वो भी कहां से क्लियर कर लिए हो तुम डाउट? तुम क्या मेरे अलावा और किसी को भी भेजे हो गए प्रश्न? क्षितिजा पेज नंबर 3.12 थियरी का क्वेश्चन है. Which point you have not understood? Kshitija is saying on page 3.12 there is a flow chart and its subtypes are same. When causes of difference are given, reconciliation without adjusted cash book, reconciliation after adjusted cash book. When causes of difference are not, yes, of course, हम लोग एडजस्टेड कैश बुक बना के उसके बाद भी रिकंसिलिएशन कर सकते हैं और एडजस्टेड कैश बुक बनाने के पहले भी रिकंसिलिएशन कर सकते हैं या नहीं? अगर तुमको दोनों कैश बुक और पासबुक दिए गए हैं, अगर कैश बुक और पासबुक दोनों दिए गए हैं, तो इन दैट केस you can do the rectification, sorry, reconciliation after doing the comparison. अगर causes directly दिए हुए हैं तो based on that you can do it. Is that right, Kshitija? या सेकंड केस में भी तुम दोनों, अरे बेटा उसके ऑप्शंस तो सेम ही रहने वाले ना, क्योंकि तुम कैश बुक और पासबुक को कंपेयर करोगे, कंपेयर करके तुमको रीजंस फॉर डिफरेंस मिलेंगे, वो रीजंस फॉर डिफरेंस के बेसिस पे तुम रिकंसिलिएशन करोगे. Now that reconciliation you can do after doing the adjusted cash book or before doing the adjusted cash book. So whether the causes are directly given or causes are identified by comparing the cash book and passbook, that based on that the reconciliation will be done, isn't it? Yeah, well, my today's time has got over. Remaining queries of the remaining two topics, that is bills of exchange and accounting process, will be doing it on Monday. All right, so Monday session will continue with the query session only. Thank you.